so now we're going to move into the open office scenario, and we're going to talk about the difference between a traditional SAL lens and a batwing. And for this experiment, we are using our wall now as the work plane, and our fixtures now we're standing on end to be parallel to this, and we set them back about 6 or 6.5 feet from the work plane to simulate a 9-foot ceiling. And what we're looking at right now is a traditional lens. These are both our BionicPro 3-inch, so a 2.5-inch aperture product, both with the same amount of light output, the same wattage, and what we're looking at here is our satin acrylic. And what you can tell, obviously, here is that I've got quite a bit more intensity right under the fixture than I do at 4 feet away on either side. In fact, if you look at the numbers, we're at 54 foot candles here, and we're at 18 foot candles there. And so what that translates to, it means I've got to pull my fixtures closer together to create really even illumination at the work plane. The alternative would be to use the batwing distribution. And in this case, the batwing is going to create, as you can see immediately now, a much more even illumination on this work plane. In fact, by numbers, we're looking at 37 foot candles here and 36 foot candles there. And if you were to push that meter even farther, you would see it not depreciate that much. Now, from this meter to the end of this wall is 6.5 feet. So when we talk about a 14-foot center, you can see that I've got enough illumination to the center to create a super evenly lit environment, and yet have 14-foot centers with this 3-inch product, which means obviously less power, less fixtures, less cost, better lighting job without question.